Hello everyone. This is a story, that is Hindi story. The story name is A Thirsty Crow. So the Thirsty Crow we have already seen in English. The Hindi transcription now. So what is this in Hindi? Read. Kavva, ka. When we add one matra, ka, kau, a. Kavva or ghada. Ghada means a pot. A story is between a crow and a pot. So kavva and ghada. Kavva or ghada. Kavva or ghada. Now see here. तेज गर्मी का दिन था. इट वॉज वेरी हॉट सनी डे. एक कौवे को जोर से प्यास लगी थी. वन क्रो वॉज वेरी थर्स्टी. सो वॉट हैपन, उसने आसपास पानी को खोज की. सो ही वॉज लुकिंग फॉर वाटर हियर एंड देयर. उसे एक घड़ा दिखाई दिया. एट लास्ट ही फाउंड अ पॉट ऑफ वाटर. ही फाउंड अ पॉट ऑफ वाटर. घड़ा मीन्स अ पॉट ऑफ वाटर. Now what happened? कौवा उड़कर घड़े के पास गया और उसमें झांक कर देखा. He went near the pot and he was seeing in the pot. Is there any water in the pot? Finally he get the pot. He saw the pot but he was very thirsty. So for that he was seeing if is there any water in the pot. So he went flying there and he was seeing. घड़े में थोड़ा सा पानी था. That means in the pot it was very little water. So what happened? But there was very little water in the pot. So what happened? कौवा समझ गया कि पानी के लिए या तो घड़ा उल्टाना पड़ेगा या उसे फोड़ना पड़ेगा. That means what he thought of? He thought of as the water is very little and there is nothing here as if that will help him to get his thirst when. So what happened? He thought of a plan. What was his plan? He thought either I will break the pot or we will turn the pot. Or he thought either I will break the pot or I will turn the pot, as the water is very little here. See, you can see here, as the water is very little, either I will turn the pot or I will break the pot. So he thought from the two of the methods, from both the methods, दोनों ही काम उसके बस के नहीं थे. Both the methods are not from his work. That means the crow is very small, right? So the crow, can he break the pot? No. Okay, so can he break the pot? No, it's not possible for a crow to break the pot. Can he turn the pot? No, because he's not having that power to either break the pot or either to turn the pot. Okay, so now see here, दोनों ही काम उसके बस के नहीं थे. So both the work are not of his role. So what happened? फिर भी उसने आस नहीं छोड़ी. He never gave up. आस नहीं छोड़ी, never gave up. And what he did? और किसी दूसरे उपाय के बारे में सोचने लगा. Any other plan he was thinking in his mind. So what happened? उसने घड़े के पास बहुत सारे कंकड़ पड़े देखे. See here how to read this कंकड़. क, when we add matra, that is a dot and matra, kan, ka, d, kankad. It means small pebbles, small stones. He found some small stones which was near the pot. So from that he thought of some plan. उसके मन में. See here, some pebbles are there. Is it there? Yes. So he thought of this plan. And what happened then? Let's see. उसके मन में एक विचार आया. He thought of some plan. What was the plan? उसने एक एक करके कंकड़ घड़े में डालने शुरू कर दिए. He took one by one pebbles, that is the kankad, and he put into the pot. He collected first all the small stones and he put into the pot, that is घड़ा, one by one. So what happened? जब काफी सारे कंकड़ घड़े में डल चुके तो पानी ऊपर आ गया. That means most of the pebbles he had put into the pot. So from that what happened? The water came up. So the water came up. पानी ऊपर आ गया. That is the water came up. कौवे की चोंच पानी तक पहुंचने लगी. That means his चोंच, that is its beak, it was ready, or it's near to the water. So he can easily able to drink the water. He can drink the water easily. उसने भरपेट पानी पिया. How much he was thirsty? He drank the water. Okay, to the fullest he enjoyed and he drank the water. So what he thought, he achieved the plan. From the moral, what we learn, Seek Suhani, he never gave up. What was his plan? He executed that plan with the help of his cleverness. See, सीख सुहानी, जरूरत आदमी को जीने के उपाय सिखाती है. जरूरत आदमी को, that means आदमी means human being. जरूरत means at time when there is a right time, we as a humans will always try to get the method to achieve something. If we want something, if it's really we want something from the inner, we can achieve anything. That is here it said. So when there is a will, that is where there is a will, there is a way. जरूरत आदमी को जीने की उपाय सिखाती है. How to live when there is a necessity. जरूरत means it's a necessity. आदमी को जीने की उपाय सिखाती है. That means when it's a necessity, human beings try to live for their survival. They try to live by the method it's there. So see here, once again I would revise. Kavva or Ghada. Try ka. When we add a matra ka, cow, cow-a, or Ghada. Crow and pot. Kavva or Ghada. This story is similar to the Thirsty Crow story in English, which is already uploaded in YouTube. Story The Thirsty Crow. कौवा और घड़ा. तेज गर्मी का दिन था. एक कौवे को जोर से प्यास लगी थी. उसने आसपास पानी को खोज की. सी माई फिंगर देयर, यू कैन रीड इजीली. उसे एक घड़ा दिखाई दिया. कौवा उड़कर घड़े के पास गया और उसमें झांक कर देखा. घड़े में थोड़ा सा पानी था. कौवा समझ गया कि पानी के लिए या तो घड़ा उलटना पड़ेगा, इधर टू टर्न, उलटना पड़ेगा, या उसे फोड़ना पड़ेगा, इधर टू और टू ब्रेक अप द पॉट. दोनों ही काम उसके बस के नहीं थे. फिर भी उसने आस नहीं छोड़ी और किसी दूसरे उपाय के बारे में सोचने लगा. उसने घड़े के पास बहुत सारे कंकड़ खड़े देखे. उसके मन में एक विचार आया. उसने एक एक करके कंकड़ घड़े में डालने शुरू कर दिए. देन व्हाट हैपेंड? जब काफी सारे कंकड़ घड़े में डल चुके तो पानी ऊपर आ गया. कौवे की चोंच पानी तक पहुंचने लगी. उसने भरपेट पानी पिया. सीख सुहानी, मॉरल ऑफ द स्टोरी. जरूरत आदमी को जीने के उपाय सिखाती है. कैन सी हियर द स्टोरी. That is, in the story, what was there? A crow and a pot was there. A pebbles was there, right? So it was a hot sunny day. I am translating a few lines in English for your sake. See, it was a hot sunny day. What happened? A crow was very thirsty. He was very thirsty. He wanted to drink the water, but there was no water nearby. So finally he was searching for water here and there. At last he found a pot of water. A pot in Hindi it's called ghada. So he found a pot of water. So initially he found a pot. He was expecting there should be some water in it. He just thought of and he came near the pot and he was trying to see in the pot. Is there any water for him to get his thirst? So is there any water to get his thirst quenched? So he was seeing in the pot, but there was there was very little. See, there was very little water in the pot. So he was having an idea. What was his idea first? Either to turn the pot and drink the water. But that's not possible for the crow, right? Another idea was of to break the pot and drink the water. That is also not possible from him. So he thought both the ideas are not possible for him. Then what should do to get his thirst quenched? So he was thinking. Finally, he thought of some other plan. What was his plan? His plan was, he saw here there are few small stones. That is, small stones here. So stones in Hindi is called kankad. There was few pebbles here. So he started to get one and one stones, and he was putting each and every stone there. One by one he was putting here. There was so many stones was there here. So what happened finally? Because of so many stones, the water came up. Finally he was achieving his plan, achieving what he had thought. So what happened? The water came up. It was very easier for him to drink the water as it's very near for him. So with his beak, he tried to drink the water, and he drank the water at the fullest. How much his thirst was, that much water he drank, and then he flew away happily. So what's the moral? Moral from this story is, what's the moral is? जरूरत आदमी को जीने की उपाय सिखाती है. That means whenever we have anything to achieve, we can achieve. Okay? Because from the inner we are thinking we want to achieve. There is a will. Okay? So where there is a will, there will be always a way. There is a way. Never to give up. Never to give up. Where there is a will, there is a way. जरूरत आदमी को जीने की उपाय सिखाती है.